वहाँ तक इनको मालूम नहीं, इनको मालूम पड़ा 1:30 बजे, तो फिर मैं आया इधर। बाद में देखा तो इधर फायर ब्रिगेड भी आया था, तो बुझा रहा था वो।
कितने
आदमी से खड़ा हुआ, हम लोग भी बाद में गया बुझाने के बाद।
कितने? 2 शॉप?
हाँ
2 शॉप।
200।
और लॉस कितना हुआ?
लोग तो बोला 5-6 लाख में जाए।
क्या था उसमें?
फुटवेयर का था और बैग का था।
Immediately, a turnout was done by the sub officer by SK Naik and about 5 firefighters to the call spot. On the call spot, we found that there were 4 small kiosks, shops dealing in various items like shoes, chappals, luggage, baggage. Then the second shop was dealing in masala. The third shop was dealing in eatable items. The supposed cause of fire cannot be ascertained, but the public were saying that possibility of a short circuit. We'll be writing to the electricity department to inform us the cause of fire. 2 fire tenders were used from the MAPUSA fire stations, and also the courtyard hydrants which were installed in the old MAPUSA market. We also use the water to refill the fire tenders to carry out the firefighting operation. And we have saved about 4 or 5 shops which were in the close vicinity of the affected shops.